Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make grid and gallery easy method. Open your gallery app and select the photos you want to include, tap the layout or collage option, choose a grid template, adjust spacing and margins with 2 fingers, and save the result. I'll give tips for alignment, consistent spacing, and exporting at full resolution so your grid looks clean across platforms. Follow these steps and experiment with ratios to get the look you want. Start by reviewing your photo selection and remove duplicates or blurry shots to keep the grid clean. Aim for consistent lighting and color so thumbnails read well together. Try arranging wide shots opposite close-ups to balance the composition and crop each image the same way. Keep negative space consistent by matching margins and spacing settings. Small changes in order can vastly improve flow and viewer focus in the final grid. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful tutorials and share more tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great. It's a fun, small upgrade while you work on layouts. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Pick an app with grid templates and manual spacing controls to get precise results. When exporting, choose full resolution or 2x the display size to avoid blurry uploads on social platforms. If your app allows, save the layout as a reusable template to speed up future projects. Always preview on phone and desktop to confirm alignment and margins. Minor tweaks before export prevent resizing surprises after posting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.